D. Militon Elementary. Parang DepEd ata yun. Sila naman, umiilaw naman sila ngayong gabi.
Kumukulit-kulita ang Naga South District 1.
And actually, kung mapapansin talaga natin, parang may mga kanya-kanyang designer ang ating bawat district talaga just to show their costume, the best costume na meron sila ngayong gabi dito sa ating competition.
That is your partner. So, feeling ko yan kaubusan ng mga mask at ng mga feathers.
Feeling ko din talaga yan. Now, bukod po sa harap ng stage 2, ang mag-occupy po ng mga monoblock chairs are the following: the West District 1, West District 2, East District 1, East District 2, and South District 2. So dyan po kayo sa tapat ng ating pong stage number 2 ng mga monoblock chairs. May I request again all the school heads coming from the private school to join us here on stage. Meron nung kayo mga upuan, kami na lang kami para po sa inyong lahat. And thank you very much po for joining us in this celebration. Partner, we have now the Naga South District 2 approaching our ground.
Yes, partner, we have Concepcion Grande Elementary School, Villa Marcon Elementary School, Villa Grande Home Elementary School, Del Rosario Elementary School, and Del Rosario National High School.
Once again, we have the Naga South District 2 composed of Concepcion Grande Elementary School, Villa Corazon Elementary School, Villa Grande Homes Elementary School, Del Rosario Elementary School, and Del Rosario National High School. Once again, our Mardi Gras participants coming from the West and East District, dito po kayo mag-occupy ng room sa likod sa building na nasa likod po ng ating stage 1 and 2. Kindly use the ground floor again for the participants of our Mardi Gras from the West and East District. Ang rooms po ninyo ay nasa likod po ng ating pong stage, yung building po sa likod ng stage. Partner, we have now, approaching our grounds, we have
the Naga West District 1, composed of Santa Cruz National High School, Tabuco Central School, Triangulo Elementary School, Mabolo Elementary School, and Mabolo National High School.
the ground floor of the